Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a ghost popsicle. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our ghost popsicle, I'm going to start right about here on my paper. So I'm going to begin by just drawing a nice line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it around and it's going to come back down. Starting here, we're just going to make a couple little wavy lines that are just going to go across to connect it at the bottom. Right underneath here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down. We're going to come over and up. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then we'll curve around for the little popsicle stick. Now I want to make the little face on here. So to start here, we're going to make a small oval for an eye. We'll leave some space and we'll make another small oval for another eye. Then I like to make a little circle shape inside of here and then just color in the rest of this. And we'll do the same thing over here. After we make that circle, just go ahead and color this part in. Then right in the middle here, let's just make a small circle shape and we can just color this part for the little mouth. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little ghost popsicle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.